Hello everyone, and we're back to CICI 210. Today's task is going to be how to teach Lightning how to make a left or right hand turn. Now, the problem with making turns in MBOT is that they don't have a degrees. You notice that they say turn left for 1 second. So what you have to do is you have to equate the time of turn with the angle of turn. So what I'll do is I'll start out here. Let's see, events. Oops, we got the wrong one. Let's upload. I was resetting it. Okay, we'll do the event and we will start off small. We'll do an action. Turn right at power 50%. We don't want to get crazy. And I'm going to say for 1/10 of a second. 0.1. Okay, well, and I'm going to put Lightning on this pad. This pad is a calendar pad, so it's got a lot of right angles in it so that I can judge how far he turns. Okay, I'm going to put him right on a line. Mark that as 0 degrees. Now mark that as 0 seconds. All right, then I will connect and I will upload and we'll see what happens. He's thinking, and he's moved. Okay, so got an arrow that I'm drawing to 0.01 seconds. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it's going to take half a second, so I'm going to increase that to half a second, see what happens. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to go just a little bit over, just a little under 90 degrees so I can start bracketing and I can start halving it each time. Okay, we're gonna get back on the line. Make sure we're splitting the line. And here we go. All right, that's really close. Now, one thing to keep in mind is not only is he moving, turning, he's also moving a little bit laterally too. So we'll need to take a look at that. Okay, so I'm going to try 0.6 seconds. And I'll try it again. I may have accidentally found it the correct way the first time, but we'll try it again. Okay, 0.6 seconds is definitely over. Okay, 0.4 seconds will be just about the same, under. So I'm going to say that 0.5 seconds is what we want. Now you're saying, well, you're trying to base it on a calendar. Okay, well, see how I can make that a little more accurate. Okay, suppose I make him make a square. If he gets all the way back to the square just about exactly, then it's probably right. If he doesn't make it, then he's not turning enough, and he makes it too far, he's turning too little. So I'll do a control block, repeat. I'll have it repeat 4 times. We'll see if he comes back to where he started from. Okay, and right now he's just going to turn in place. That may not help too much. So I'm going to have him roll forward just a little bit. And that should do it. Okay, I will upload that. And I will shut them off so I can test this on the ground. See y'all in a few minutes.